Hi there, it's me again, Sam Silversides, and I wanted to show you a brief tutorial on the back bending posture Laghu Vajrasana, or Little Thunderbolt, which is in the intermediate series, or Nadi Shodana, if you like, of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. So this is an interesting pose because if you look at different sources, Laghu Vajrasana is also the name of a posture where you're holding the front of the knees and taking the head down towards the feet, very much like Kapotasana, which is the posture immediately after Laghu Vajrasana in the intermediate sequence. And it's no longer performed that way, although some of us like to perform it that way. Shout out to Thai. In Laghu Vajrasana, the way we perform it, most students are told to hold their ankles, and I'm going to show it to you today by taking my mid-calf, which allows the back bend to still be deep while also emphasizing the work that you need to do through the front of the body, the work you need to do in your legs to maintain the spring in the posture. So I'll just step back to downward dog, and then I'll go right through it, and I might be able to tell you what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So at the end of your exhalation, come to like an Ustrasana position to set up. And then taking the hands onto the hips. So at this point, you could exhale to recoil the pelvis a little bit, preparing the body. Hips come forward and the heart lifts as you inhale. And at first, you can leave the chin down, just search for the calf muscles as you go back. Once you've got them, reset your back bend. So go forward again, lift the heart. As you exhale, go down and try to touch lightly the head to the floor. After 5 rounds of the breath, exhale to initially lift a little bit. You can also sneak the hands further forward. Then inhale as you come up. Exhale, take the hands down and kick up to keep the spine straight. Inhale. Exhaling, and then going through the 2 dog poses and carrying on your merry way. So thank you so much.